West Coast Swing Thursday night. Myself, the talented Miss Stephanie by my side. We're going to show you the sequence we taught for our West Coast Swing class. It's titled Leverage, because that's the key to making this sequence work with whoever you're dancing with. Slow music, fast music, it's a really cool move. It kind of begins as a hustle whip, but 1, 2, 3, and 4 for the follows. 1, turning on 2, landing, 1, 2, 3, 4. Landing on your right foot. It's like a whip, all right? But for the leaders, by 2, I'm switching hands. So 1, 2. Just going to go front to back so you can see how I switch hands. 1, 2. I'm on my right foot. It's definitely like a normal whip. Be on our left foot. So let's just go to sugar push. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go to 2. 1, I switch hands. 2, I'm grabbing more of her wrist than her hand. And then it's a 3 and 4. I complete my rotation to turn to face her, okay? So we're going to do a sugar push. We're going to add those going to 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm coming towards her on 4 because I'm getting ready to create my leverage, which I'm taking my left hand, going over her right arm, and creating the leverage. So we're going to go to 5 and then stop. 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. So look a little bit better going front to back. See how I rock into that. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Now I'm on my right foot. I've turned to my right, and I've connected forearm to forearm, and I'm going to rock on my right foot. I'm going to create leverage going this way. For my connection, she's going to have to go the opposite way. Just so there's a connection. It's the only part of our body is touching. That's the leverage. Okay? So sugar push. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Now we're just going to add a series of walks. 6, 7, 8. I let her go for the last triple. So the only reason she knows that we're stopping is I just released the tension in my forearm. So we're doing a clockwise rotation. 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Let her go. Triple, 7. You want that connection, and then release it, because you can do more, but sometimes you don't need to. So the whole thing in the leverage is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Let her go. Triple step. Again, you can have more walks if you wish, just as long as they're an even count. So in the plus, if you see the title of this video, it says leverage with a plus. That's a bonus. I didn't want to tag out bonus, I just want to put a plus in there. If you have someone that's really good and connects with you and understands the lead, you can add a little roll here at any point. We, for the class, put it in specifically at 1 count. This is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm adding 2 walks, but I'm creating this rotation clockwise with her arm and my arm. I continue to do my 4. She does as well. But she adds a full roll. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to stop, and then 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's really forearm to forearm, kind of sink down and create that oval so she can really style that. So with a plus, it looks like this. 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then you can do the basic one if you wish. Slow music or fast music. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Work very well. That's leverage with a plus. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Hope you like that one. Teach that one many times, but I've never done the bonus with the little roll there, so we hope you like that and use it. Remember, as always, to click subscribe for a free video for you every time you see us. Until next time, have a great week. And as always, keep dancing.